Say good morning to your body by making this powerful drink. Ingredients include cucumber, lime, and cloves. Let's cut up all the ingredients. Cut the lime, and I'm going to blend the lime first because it's tougher than the cucumber. I blend it a bit before adding the cucumber to it. You cut up the cucumber as well, and all the ingredients, you blend them together. Lime boosts immunity with high vitamin C content. It also aids digestion and improves nutrient absorption. It promotes healthy skin and reduces signs of aging. So it has good nutrients to give to our body. Now let's blend it up a little bit. Cucumber hydrates the body with its high water content. It provides antioxidants that help combat inflammation. It supports healthy skin by providing silica and vitamins. So, put up the cut cucumber in the blender and add a teaspoon of ground cloves. If you have the whole one, you can use it as well. Clove is rich in antioxidants, protecting cells from damage. It supports digestion and helps alleviate stomach discomfort, like bloating, and it helps us to expel gas, flatulence. It reduces inflammation and has antimicrobial properties. It's very good as well for respiratory tract conditions. So here you're going to filter it or sieve it with your choice sieve. So I'm using the spoon to increase the filtration, add pressure to it to filter on time. After filtering, now is the best part. We add honey to taste. Honey is a natural sweetener with antimicrobial property. It soothes the throat and helps with cough relief. Provides a quick energy boost and supports overall health. Now, mix the honey into it, and when you are done, you can turn it into a glass or your favorite cup to drink. It's time to enjoy, and your body will ever thank you for it.